Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of our new Aviara 36. This is a new brand that we started carrying. This particular boat has only been in stock for about 2 days. So as you can kind of see, it's a very modern looking boat. Lots of neat angles. So as we go to the transom here, huge plus is that it's powered by triple Mercury Verado outboards. Outboards are definitely the way to go, especially in the waters around in Southwest Florida. This back sun pad area has a neat design where you can pop up these 3 seats and it gives you kind of a stadium style arrangement, so you get a little bit more elevation when you're sitting back here. Tons of room on the inside, lots of cup holders and speakers everywhere. Very plush, comfortable seating. On the starboard side here, we have a nice Kenyan grill, twin isotherm fridges, and a huge sink. You also have access to a cooler here. Moving up to the helm here, you can see it is all digital. So it's a combination of Garmin and Simrad. It's going to give you access to all the different features on the boat, all your systems. This also has GPS and sonar. It's powered with Mercury joystick. That'll have autopilot, auto heading, skyhook. It makes it very easy to dock. Also auto Linko trim tabs. Moving up to the bow, it's a port side walkthrough. One thing I really like about the bow is how deep it is. You feel very secure up here. And again, nice cushions everywhere. Access to your windlass. Being 36 feet, it is large enough for a small cabin. This is air conditioned too, so on a hot summer day you can get down here and cool off. Huge Samsung TV. So if you'd like more information about this boat, please visit us in person at MarineMax in Fort Myers, or give us a call, 239-481-8200. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.